To start a dropshipping business using an online fashion store, the first step is to create a Shopify account and set up a store, which can be done in just a few minutes. Once the account is created, the next step is to download the online fashion store app onto the Shopify account, which is a straightforward process. The app offers a 14-day free trial, and after that, it costs $9 per month, with the option to upgrade to a yearly plan for $108, which works out to $9.08 per month and includes a 20% discount on all items. This online fashion store app offers a wide range of products, including clothing, jewelry, and more, with the option to filter by category, such as men's or plus-size clothing. The products are priced competitively, with some items costing as little as $13, and the app offers automatic stock updates, fast shipping from the US, free returns, and the ability to add or remove items with just a few clicks. To start using the app, simply click on the Install button, then confirm by clicking Install again, and the app will be added to the Shopify store. Once installed, the app's dashboard can be accessed, where products can be browsed and added to the store. The app offers high-quality product images, detailed descriptions, and the option to include a size chart and measurement information. When adding products to the store, the price can be set, and the app offers a default selling price that is often twice the cost, resulting in a 50% profit margin. The products can be customized with tags, and the app also offers the option to include the manufacturer's suggested retail price, which can help improve conversion rates. With the app, products can be added individually or in bulk, and the app's inventory management system makes it easy to track stock levels. The store's theme can be customized, and trust badges can be added to increase customer trust. Payment methods can be set up, including PayPal and credit cards, making it easy for customers to check out. Overall, using an online fashion store app for dropshipping is a great way to start an online business. With thousands of products to choose from, competitive pricing, and a user-friendly interface, the app offers a range of features, including automatic stock updates, fast shipping, and free returns, making it an ideal solution for anyone looking to start a dropshipping business. By following these steps and using the app, it's possible to create a successful online store and start selling products quickly and easily.